So, guys, today we're gonna be playing chess versus checkers. Who do you think will win? Chess or checkers?
You first.
No, tell me who will win. Chess or checkers?
I think checkers.
Okay, let's go. It's not like that. It's like this.
Okay. Harang ka, kakainin na kita.
Oh no, guys. She took mine. Guys, let's go, guys. I have to. Guys, I'm just taking a lot of checkers. Why don't you want to do en-passant? Why don't you want to do Why don't you want to do en-passant?
My turn na. My turn.
Do en-passant. Okay, let's go. Bro, I gave you a free knife, but you didn't.
Oo nga.
You didn't.
Eat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now you cannot eat it. I mean, now you can still eat. He's like this.
Yeah.
I don't even know the rules, and you're playing with me. Yeah, that's why chess will win.
Kain na agad.
He's like this. Guys, look at my stack. I haven't even seen a visible threat to my knife. Ate Joy, you know, if you let me eat your most of your checkers, if the pawn goes to the end, it will become a queen.
Hindi pala. Uy, harang na kita.
Thanks for the free checker.
Saan ba ito dyan?
There. Oh, like this. Oh no. Oh no, you're about to be a queen.
Ay, sayang! Hindi ko nakuha. Your turn na.
My pawn is blocked. En-passant. I told you to use it earlier, but you don't want to. Ayan. Gotta kill me. I'm in the safe zone. How
Ano
are
na to,
checkers?
queen? Queen na yan.
No, it's not queen. You know why? Only this one can. I have a question. I thought there was a lot of pieces in checkers. Why is there now a little? Okay, so I cannot move anything else. Aha!
Bawat ano ko.
We need to clear a pathway.
Yeah.
You forgot, no. I want a safe zone and I could kill both.
So, what should I do? Malapit na ako. Matalo. Dalawa siya.
No, this is a pond. It's not. Why? He's about to become a queen. I'm gonna block.
Pwede ba yan ibalik?
Yeah, you can block.
Okay.
This is king. Now I cleared the pathway. Oh no. You're gonna kill my king and then I will lose. See if it's safe. Safe. This is now a queen. Okay, I'm gonna get this. Oh, good. I got it.
Your turn or mine?
Your turn. I can take. No, but I can still kill it.
Still?
And I get all your queens.
Wala na akong matakbuhan eh.
No,
Pwede
go
ba yan?
here. So guys, now you know chess won.
Ayan.
Goodbye and thank you guys. Chess won.